It is Elaine. And yes, I am green today, and my hair is kind of green, but my hair is still red. There is a song I recorded on my phone, Vocal Live. And I recorded one yesterday and one today. And I like yesterday's beat better. Music, but it's kind of... This is Flo Rida's Whistle, but I remade it, and the lyrics are kind of okay, and I need to probably do another one, practice more the lyrics and everything. But I want to know what you guys think and which one I should do. There's one that's higher, the cable's on the 3rd fret of the guitar, and then the other one today I did doesn't have the cable at all. It's kind of lower. But yeah. So I'm gonna try to let you guys listen to them. Okay, and I recorded this on my phone on Vocal Live. Yeah, I'm bouncing my bed and got stuff all around. Oh, look at Taylor. Bam! Oh, and what else I got? Ow. Yes. My glasses case. Yes, I wear glasses. Michael Kors. Oh yeah. I love him. And the hair, I just don't know what I did. I put the front part up, and then just bought it in the back. Because it's so short now, and I don't know what to do with it. But that's it. So, here we go. Listen to my music. Peace.
Whistle baby, don't you know? Boy, it's something that you do that makes me go, oh, oh. You just put your arms around me and you pull me close. You make me whistle baby, oh, oh, oh. Whistle baby, don't you know? Boy, it's something that you do that makes me go, oh, oh. You just put your arms around me and you pull me close. You make me whistle baby, oh, oh,
oh. You want to play some chess? This is my chess thingy. That's what it's called.